We need to open the hood before we start tomorrow's job. Today it's like late at night. I'm just gonna put some PB blaster in all the bolts. You know, we don't have a hard time tomorrow. I'm super excited and I have like 2 helpers. You guys gonna love it. It's gonna be so good to have somebody to help me. The journey just starts now. Tomorrow is gonna be really easy to take it out. I hope so. I hope this is gonna help us tomorrow, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. The man, the myth, the legend.
You're saying all that now?
Because I want a good job from you. All the way from South Jersey.
From the beach where it's nice and warm, man. It is cold up here.
I told you, dude.
You ain't kidding us. Yeah, my truck says 8. I left the house this morning since.
Let me close the door. Yeah.
Supervisor.
Look at this guy.
Oh, I came prepared. I brought the only tool you'll need for the headers. We should be done before lunch.
Which actually is my tool. Yeah?
That's how Matty abuses his tools.
Because I use my tools.
Use. Yeah, you're picking your teeth.
I think we have everything we need here. What do you think?
We'll find out.
We found out. I hope everything goes well, but never goes well. Let's see before and after how loud it is. It's a stock one. Somebody always make fun of me because it's stock.
I'm working on my COVID diet. I think I got Dave beat.
Oh, definitely. Definitely.
Okay, now the question is, we've got Dave, who only drives automatics. I think he's trying to figure out how to start a manual.
You're gonna hear how loud it is. Go for it. All right. Try. We got 113, the loudest, at 5 grand.
That is sounds nice. That is Borla.
It's Borla.
And I hate to admit it, but
Sounds
yeah.
For a stock one?
Yes.
All right.
It's gonna put a smile on your face.
We are doing the spark plugs first. Of course, removing the cover. There's no sticker on it. It's just like attached to it. Just remove the spark plugs because dude, this is painful.
Yeah, they're in there.
He gave up. He gave up.
Well,
You gotta need your muscle. Oh, really, Dave?
I could probably get this one, but I know I'm not gonna be able to get that one.
Dude, if you're always struggling with the spark plugs, I cannot imagine.
Woo!
Success.
Ah, one down. Dude, believe it or not, this is my first time working on an engine bay.
My third.
I watch a bunch of videos, so I shouldn't be a professional now, but
We're YouTube experts now.
It looks like what you see on the floor, boys and girls, might get installed by tomorrow.
Patience. Patience is a virtue.
yeah, which we don't have it. So we got the spark plugs out. My car has what? Almost 80,000 miles on it. I think they weren't that bad,
No.
but since we are here, we're just gonna change and the old and new. They are pretty much the same. I just got a brand new ones, and also I got longer spark plugs from Speed Engineer, which they go in, and those are the old ones. So since we are here, it's just might as well just change everything. Dave is against power tools. Not against, I'm just kidding. And I'm quite sure if I use it, I'm gonna screw it up and he's gonna say, I told you. We're removing the header.
I'm just loosening the bolts for now.
Yes.
Power tools.
Look at all that work it took to get it out, and now we have less bolts going back in.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Got rid of all bolts, we left one. So far, not hard at all.
No.
Well, the fact that I put a PB blaster last night helped a little bit.
Correct.
So we got halfway through. Of course, having a set of hands and a cameraman helps a lot.
Raise it up and get underneath.
All right. There, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? We removed that I believe that's an X pipe, right, for C6. That's how
Correct.
they call it, right?
Yeah.
My car has an axle back, and what they did, they tackle like in two parts, one here and one on the other side, and that was giving us such a hard time. We got one off, but the other one's still in there. We tried to use the Sawzall to break free, and now we're gonna remove it and try to attach the new pipes. A good 45 minutes.
Yeah, and if it wasn't like that.
Hey, good thing is the quick jack helped a little bit.
Oh, a lot.
Yeah, but still, whoever did this kind of job was just horrible. It's coming out.
There you go.
So break time, we're gonna have some pizza. What should we order? Oh, this is cool. Oh, yeah, see. Well, we are halfway through it. Here are the old headers, the new ones. It's a mess, dude. I'll tell you what, work on a car that never was touched before, it's kind of painful, but we're getting there. We're getting there. So this shield here was on the way, so you gotta remove it so you have access.
It goes up and in.
Yeah. Headers are in. Wasn't that bad. I thought it would be worse, and to be honest, the O2 sensors extension gave me almost a heart attack, but we made it through. Now we are putting back the new spark plugs. I'm gonna replace with the just OEM spark plugs. Just put the spark plugs back on, new ones. New spark plugs, new cables, and the headers are on. I heard myself. Dave didn't, which is good.
I'm good.
Yeah, he's good.
Amateur hour over there.
Yeah, so yeah, like, you know, beginners. So far, wasn't that bad. The only thing is, if you're doing a LS2, I would say the oil sticker that comes here, you gotta remove it because it makes your life so much easier. And the bolt on the driver's side all the way to the back, it's the hard one to get to. Otherwise, not bad at all. Besides the problem we had with the axle back being attached by welding, that was pain too. But other than that, we're gonna attach all the pipes, the X pipe, and we should be done, hopefully, right?
In the next hour.
Wow, that's some hope there.
Hey man, I'm confident. We got this.
All right, let's put the car up, and we're gonna attack this bad boy here.
Get out, just put all the pipes in.
Woo! All right, dude, I'm so tired. So is Dave. But as you can see, the X pipe is on, and we did everything. So far, I gotta upgrade. You see those clamps here? Those are the upgrade clamps. They don't come with this kit. The ones that come with this kit is like this. It's a single clamp, but I gotta like better clamps. So we'll see how that goes. But now I think we can start a car.
Hear it purr.
There we go.
Hear it scream.
Scream. Let's see those eagles fly.
All eagles fly, baby.
Dude, I'm so tired. The quick jack help a lot, but it's still like all the pushing that we have to do, it was like awful. And there's a hose. You just ready?
I'm ready.
Fire it up. 125 and my wife is texting me. Yeah, see on top. We got 125. So I think dude, I'm impressed. What do you think?
That's the way a Corvette should sound.
We got a 113 and now it's 125. I think it's louder. Definitely it's louder.
A 12 dB change at that level is loud.
It is louder. I hope that we don't have any leaks, anything. That's gonna be the challenge. Wow, on the idle, sounds so much better. I'm gonna let burn for a while and we're gonna take it for a spin. But dude, so far, mission accomplished. Dude, this is so freaking loud.
Nice.
Well, we're going for the first drive. Well, first of all, I gotta say thank you to Dave. Dude, that was so much work.
They went in a lot easier than they came out, all because of that little tack bolt on there. You hear the pop? You hear that pop when you let off? Did it pop before or no?
A little bit.
A little bit?
A little bit.
Off for the kid. Nice.
Dude, oh, that was like $2,000.
You're gonna feel the performance gain too, and you're not even tuned yet, so.
Damn. I didn't know it would be that loud.
Oh yeah.
No traction.
Did you feel any difference?
Oh,
See
yeah.
the pants difference though? Yeah. I mean, because I feel that thing hook up and go. I mean, yeah, you did slip a little bit, but it threw me back in the seat.
Yeah, no, I feel that. Dude. What do you think?
I'm assuming that laugh was a laugh of happiness right there.
She definitely sounds way better. Oh my god, way better. Dude, it was so much work to be honest, but I could not do that by myself. So thank you to Dave to help me out with it. Dude, but it sounds so good. You guys saw my reaction when I was flooring it. So good, so good. I think that's it. The Corvette sounds good. I will keep you guys posted as far as the codes that I got. I'm gonna get a tune too, and we will go from there. I mean, I'm excited. I need to go to the clamps again and make sure it sounds good. But so far so good. I'm probably gonna spend way more in gas, but hey, that's why we have fun, right? I want to say thank you to Dave. Thank you, buddy.
Hey, thanks for having me up, Matt. It was fun.
If you're not subscribed to his channel, I'll leave here, Yellow Vette 4.
Appreciate
that. If you are on C5 or any Corvette content, he's your guy. I'll tell you what, this entire thing is fun. Hang out with people. Thank you, Pete, to stop by too. And I hope to see you guys next upload. If you need any information, everything I bought to the car is gonna be on the link in the description below. And as always, never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.